everyone, buongiorno, how are you today? Today is an amazing day because we are here in the middle of Tuscany and we are taking care of these beautiful and very old trees that was abandoned by a long time ago, and me and my family, we are taking care of them. How you know, this is a beautiful project that started this year, and right now in this exact moment we are taking care about picking the olives. And when you adopt a beautiful tree like this one, I want to thank you, Alessio and Giuliano Di Croce. How you know you will receive a beautiful certificate like this. And look what we have over there. We have your beautiful name directly attached on the trees.
Up of 24 is high, less than 24 is cold. Don't forget never. Look.